how's the hair? All right. So while everyone's on that overnight trip to Boston, all right, we are going to. I'm taking the time to make the videos. Okay. So homework number 79 from Monday, March 18th. All right. So this week's homework is going to be going over Unit 6. Remember those Type A, Type B, Type C percent proportions, right? So that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay. All right. Hold on 1 second. Actually, no, no. Hold on. We're gonna start this. Okay. All right. So the kind of problems we're gonna do today is gonna be asking you where you find the percent. All right. So let me make sure. Yep. Okay. Right thing. So why don't we do two, and then the rest of the week we only have to do one of these questions. Okay. So it will be even shorter as the week goes. Now I'll read. Bob's gift shop sold 550 cars for Mother's Day. One salesman, Anand, showed sold 4% of the cars sold for Mother's Day. How many cars did Anand sell? So let's see. Now, is this a type A, type B, type C question? Okay, hold on. Let me double check. Okay, we have to find a percent, right? Hold on. Hold on. Okay. All right. Now let's see. Okay. All right. I have to go back to this one. Okay, let's do another one. Ava made 5% of free throws over the season. If she shot 120 free throws, how many did she make? Okay, all right. So is this a type A, type B, or a type C? Yeah, it's a type A question. They're asking you for the part. So the total is 120, right? How many of those 120 were made if she made five per cent? 5%. So the question is something like this. What is 5% of 120? That's why it's a type A. Okay, so now I'm going to use my trusty calculator. 5 times 120, I'm going to cross multiply. 5 times 120, 600 over 100. So 6. All right. Wait, that's like nothing. Made 5% of a free throw? That's nothing. That's such a low number. Okay, all right, 6 like that. I'm going to submit. All right. Okay. Right. I got it right. Okay, good. Let's do one more. All right. Let's see. Eraser. Okay. All right. Let's try this one. So, Adriel made 10% of his free. Let's get another one. Let's get another one. All right. Let's not do any more basketball problems. Okay. All right. It's the like exact same thing. Okay. All right. So Bob's gift shop sold 400 cards for Mother's Day. One salesman, Riley, sold 10% of the cards sold for Mother's Day. How many cards did Riley sell? Okay. All right. So is this a type A, type B, or type C question? Yeah, that's a type A. That's a type C question. Okay. So now, why? Well, actually, no. This is type A. Sorry, type A. Right? Because the whole place sold 400 cards, right? And so, which is 10%. Now, Riley sold 10% of all the cards. So, one more time. Okay. So, if Riley sold 10% of the cards, right? 10% the cards, and the whole shop sold 400, how many is Riley responsible for? So look at this like a proportion, right? Here we're comparing percent with the total. So if 100% of everything everyone sold at the store is 400 cards, right? So 100% is 400 cards. So I'm gonna lay it out for you. If 100% is 400 cards, 10% would be how many cards? You can look at it like that, actually. Okay, so let's cross multiply and divide. So 10 times 400 is 4,000 divided by 100. That's 40. Okay, so there you go. 40 in there. Got it? Okay. All right. So I hope I did a good enough job for you to understand these. All right. So these are both type A questions. Okay. All right. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.
OMG, that was so good.